Hey, Five Kids, it's Pepper, and today we are going to be opening some Pikmi Pop surprise Pikmi Flips. And the other time I opened these Pikmi Flips, the packaging was pink, and now this one is clear. Well then, let's dig in. Let's take our Pikmi Pop out. It is so fluffy. It's like the rainbow. I know I just told you guys, but seriously, it's like the rainbow. Who did we get? Let's flip this Pikmi Pop. Aw, cute little doggy. Aw. Look how cute it is. It's light blue and dark blue. It's super duper cute. To me, it smells like blueberries. Oh, it's actually scented cupcake. Ooh, it's a little scratchy little thingy. She's like blinking at it. It says, "You're the icing on the cake." That's cute that you're the icing on the cake. It is so cute. I can't wait to open the next Pikmi Pop Flips. And I prefer this one. Pop. Our Pikmi Pop surprise. Oh, it's a cute little, I don't know what it is. It's a mermaid. It's a mermaid. Ooh la la. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's like make a splash. So excited to open our next Pikmi Pop Flips. Let's open this baby up. Where is it? Oh, look, it's a little hyena. Aw, it's like hugging with you is really awesome. Okay, last Pikmi Pop Pikmi Flips. Oh yeah, we got it. What is it? Oh, there's our surprise. Oh, look, it's a little duckling. It's so cute. It smells like pineapple as well. And it's another blue keychain, and this one's like What'll I do without you? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, please. And what's your favorite one? Because my favorite one has to be the penguin. It is so cute. Like, seriously, it's so soft, so cute. It's so squishy too. See, look. Bye, Five Kids. Hey, come on. They're all so squishy and fluffy. I love them.